As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 by the center of 2023 and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of 2029. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,868.13. So the cost expanded by 57% from the very start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,952, and the year-to-year change plus 147%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 58%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,200 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,130. In the last part, the cost would add $38 and close the year at $3,168, which is plus 70% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months: Sunday, April 9th, $1,872. Monday, April 10th, $1,876. Tuesday, April 11th, $1,880. Wednesday, April 12th, $1,884. Thursday, April 13th, $1,888. Friday, April 14th, $1,892. Saturday, April 15th, $1,896. Sunday, April 16th, $1,900. May 15th, $2,016. June 15th, $2,140. July 15th, $2,261. August 15th, $2,388. September 15th, $2,515. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,168 to $5,286, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,168, then take off to $3,738 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $4,299. That implies plus 130% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,286 to $6,810, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $5,286, then take off to $5,603 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,288. It is about plus 183% from today. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,709.31. So the cost expanded by 43% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,774, and the year-to-year change plus 132%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 62%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,260 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,693. In the final part, the cost would add $141 and close the year at $2,834, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,834 to $4,632, which is up 63%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,834, then dip to $2,453 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,704. That implies plus 58% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,632 to $7,217, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,632, then, at that point, take off to $4,910 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,101. It is about plus 198% from today. 03/01/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,651.81. So the cost expanded by 38% from the very start of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,518, and the year-to-year change plus 111%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 52%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,051 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,444. In the last part, the cost would add $128 and close the year at $2,572, which is plus 56% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,572 to $4,206, which is up 64%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,572, then, at that point, dip to $2,227 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,455. That implies plus 49% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,206 to $6,552, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,206, then take off to $4,458 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,631. It is about plus 180% from today. 02/15/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,551.82. So the cost expanded by 30% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,919, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 24%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,810 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,942. In the final part, the cost would add $437 and close the year at $2,379, which is plus 53% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,379 to $3,633, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,379, then take off to $2,740 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,537. That implies plus 63% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,633 to $4,621, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,633, then, at that point, dip to $3,415 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,607. It is about plus 132% from today. 02/01/2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,500.